McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 12 of 29 Cedar Avenue in Taranganba.
This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit situated at Ludwig Lodge is perfect for those looking to get into the market or for an astute investment.
Come on in and have a look. What I really love about this spacious unit is these amazing timber floors, raked ceilings. If you come out on the balcony, you can see how close you are to the tavern, Cedar Park, and only a short walk to the beach.
For our latest listing at unit number 12 of 29 Cedar Avenue. Situated in Taranganba, this centrally located complex only has 12 units in total and great facilities like this stunning in-ground pool that you can see here. If you would like to arrange your private inspection, please do not hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We would love to show you through.